How to display second in the Windows 11 Croc. Quick and super easy. Go to the system tray where your time is displayed. Now right click on the Croc and click on adjust date and time. Look for show time and date in the system tray. Click on it. Then simply check the option show second in system tray Croc. And that's it. Now you can see second added to your Windows 11 Croc in real time. That's how you can easily enable second in the Windows 11 system tray Croc. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tips.